Kids Learn Zone. Stationary items. Pen, pen, pen. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Sharpener, sharpener. Ruler, ruler. Notebook, notebook. Highlighter, highlighter. Marker, marker, marker. Stapler, stapler. Paper clip, paper clip. Binder, binder. Glue, glue, glue. Scissors, scissors. Tape, tape, tape. Calculator, calculator. Folder, folder, folder. Index cards, index cards. Post-it notes, post-it notes. Correction fluid, tape, correction fluid, tape. Push pins, push pins. Rubber bands, rubber bands. Drawing compass, drawing compass. Protractor, protractor. Whiteboard, marker, whiteboard, marker. Chalk, chalk, chalk. Envelopes, envelopes, envelopes. Notepad, notepad, notepad. Clipboard, clipboard, clipboard. Binder, clips, binder, clips. Hole puncher, hole puncher. Drawing paper, drawing paper. Watercolor set, watercolor set. Crayons, crayons, crayons. Colored pencils, colored pencils. Fountain pen, fountain pen. Gel pen, gel pen, gel pen. Calligraphy pen, calligraphy pen. Brush, brush, brush. Highlighter tape, highlighter tape. Desk organizer, desk organizer. Rubber stamps, rubber stamps. Ink pad, ink pad, ink pad. Thank you for watching.